back to one of my videos. My name's Steph. I wasn't going to video this cake, so that's why I've done some of it already, but I thought maybe you would like to see it. So this is my daughter's 16th birthday cake. It's a chocolate cake, handmade chocolate cake. All I've done so far is cut out some white icing and made like shirt, your brain's gone, shirt collar, made shirt collars out of white fondant icing, and then all I've done is wrapped black fondant icing around the cake. I am making a Harry Potter Slytherin cake, so that is the cape. Just gonna now start on the tie, and then I don't really know where I'm gonna go from there, but I will go with the flow. So alright, hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna carry on with the tie now. We'll do the tie next, which is green with sort of silver stripes. So I've got to dye some white icing. Okay, so I'm going to find my green. I'm hoping this green is going to be dark enough. I might have to add some black to it to make it a darker green. So I'm going to get the black icing out too. I'm going to... Oh, don't think this one's been used. Maybe I have another one in there then? I have. That one's a new one. This one's an... Ooh, I'm going to end up with green hands, because I usually do when I play with the green, as you can see. And then I turn into Hulk. Right, it is just getting the right green, so just keep adding your green to it until you get the right colour. Okay, right, I'm going to do this and then get back to you and show you how to get the shape of the tie. Right, I've got my colour. It does look quite dark, but if you look at Slytherin's colour, it is a dark green. It isn't a lightish green, so I've made a dark green. Okay, this will be used for a couple of things as well, so I'm going to try and get the shape of the tie now. So I'm going to roll it out a little bit because it is a bit thick. I'm a little bit worried because this the green that I've used, being a watery green, has tend to make it quite sticky, and I don't really want to put too much icing on the table because then I get white blobs. So anyway, we're gonna go for it. So I've cut off a lump and I'm going to get the shape of the tie. So we want it to look like it's been knotted, which is not as easy as said and done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold the top bit over like that, so it does look like it's been tied, and then I'm going to fold that bit down so you have the shape of the top. So the top sort of looks like that. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it into a better shape, bit of more of a triangular shape, just by trimming the sides a bit. Okay, and just giving it a bit of a better shape. Right, it doesn't matter too much about the bottom of the tie because I'm going to be cutting that bit off. Alright, I'm going to put the stripes on next. I'm hoping that I get these right. I know they go acrosswards, so I'm going to need, I've got my silver stuff. I need my paintbrush. Right, so what I'll do is add a little bit of water and then dunk it in my silver, okay, and then tap it off. and it will give you the silver stripes. I will show you in a minute because it's a bit difficult. Put a bit more water. I'm going to stick it on because it's a bit wobbly, and then I'll show you. I'm just going to stick it on for a bit of water. Okay. And then I'll show you a bit better rather than trying to keep it in one piece, which isn't very easy. I'll get the gifs of it once I'm going to make it look like it's going round the shirt tie for bits. I might have to touch up the silver again, but that's no props. Silver's not. Okay, just cut off the tie. Like that. So you've got sort of like that. Okay. I'm going to touch up the silver bits again because they have got a bit smudged while I stuck it on, but it's sort of the idea. So I'm just going to go over the stripes. As you can see, I've done the tie, I've done the silver stripes. Right. Now I'm thinking of maybe making a snake or something to go on the top because that represents the Slytherin, and then I might do a 16 or something on it. Yeah, quite pleased with that. It's very simple, but I've still got quite a bit to do, so I'll get cracking on it. Right, as you probably can see, I rolled out the rest of the green, and I've made a sort of a scarf. Just wrapped it around the edge. I've got to stick it down, and then I'm going to make some tassels and put the silver stripes on it again. But I'm just going to glue it down, okay, with a bit of water. Just a little bit, just around the edge. Doesn't matter if the scarf's a bit crumpled up because obviously it's a scarf. You don't want it laying dead flat. You want to give it a bit of texture, bit of make it look a bit more realistic. So put a few folds and a few creases here and there. It won't go straight round, it will be a bit up and downy. You know, it's a scarf. And put a scarf on because it's always cold in England. Even in June. Yeah. Anyway, just dig it down with a bit of water. So put some folds and stuff in it so it doesn't look quite so unrealistic. Okay, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut out. I've got a little baby bit of green left, so I'm gonna roll all this out and make a few tassels on the ends of the scarf. Okay, all I've done is cut sort of like fringing. Like I say, I've got a piece of green. Use the scissors, just cut fringing into it, and then I will trim it up so it's not too bad a length in a minute. Okay, I'm going to make 2 of them and then stick it on the ends of me scarf. Okay, so like I said, just cut slits into your in. Again, that one's way too long, so chop a bit off. You don't really want them all the same size, so just like a little tassel. Okay, put a bit of glue on the end of your scarf. Okay, and then just stick the tassels on. And do the other side. This one seems to have fallen apart a bit, but never mind. We can compromise. They do need to be cut a little bit shorter, or they're just going to end up getting knocked off. Just gives the image. And then I'm going to put the stripes on, and you'll lose where I stuck the tassels on there. You see the tassels. Okay. Once they dry, they'll be a bit more easier to handle. They look quite good. Yeah, that's fine. Right, I'm going to stick the stripes on now, and then I'll get back again. Right, I've done the stripes on the scarf. It is still a bit wet, so it's hard to see because you're getting sort of a shiny effect, so I apologise for that. But the scarf and the uniform's done, so now I'm just going to titivate the top. Not sure exactly what I'm doing yet, but you'll see in a minute. Might have made the Slytherin snake to go on the top of it. And then I'm going to do a little banner with, I don't know whether to put Slytherin in it or whether to put her age or happy birthday. I'm not sure, but I'm going to do like a little banner to go underneath the snake. And I'm going to just put a little bit of detail on the snake too. Okay. Right, finished the cake. I did have trouble with my tablet, so it died just in the middle of it, and I didn't have time to muck around. So I've done. I think you might have shown the snake already. Anyway, I did a happy birthday banner. I made a 16 by wrapping black icing around a toothpick, and I made a wand which needs to be straightened up a little bit, but anyway, there you go, a Slytherin 16th birthday cake, especially for my beautiful daughter. Alright, bye for now, bye bye boy, bye 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 bye, bye.